The pickup height's fairly simple, and again, it's subjective. It will come down to how the guitar sounds to you. But essentially, the way to adjust it is to change these mounting screws at the side here. Now, a good place to start is about 2.4 mil on the bass side and about 2 mil on the treble side. But we're holding down the last fret and we're measuring from the underside of the string to the top of the individual pole pieces. Okay, so we're a little high there. I'm just going to drop the height of that neck pickup. So counterclockwise to reduce the height. As I said, make sure you're holding down that last fret and measure from the top of the individual pole piece to the underside of the string. We're still a little high there, so I'm just going to reduce that pickup height again. And that's pretty much spot on.